welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a all matte Valentine's Day makeup look. I am using the Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors that I picked up at Ulta. It's all matte shadows. I didn't use any shimmer. The only shimmer on my face is my highlight, but I have actually shown you my whole process of doing my face with my contour, my highlight, everything. I used the shade the lipstick Sour Cherry by Bite Beauty on my lipstick, and the rest of the stuff is mentioned in the video. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, hi, welcome. I post videos every Wednesday on lifestyle, makeup, sort of anything that I'm feeling at the moment. And if you like the videos, then please give them a thumbs up and subscribe down below. So without further ado, let's get on to the makeup look. So to start off, I'm going to prime my face with the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use my Beauty Blender and the Ordinary foundation to put foundation on my face. Using the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to conceal under my eyes and in the T-zone. I'm going to set my face using the Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder and a nice big fluffy brush. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, I'm going to set underneath my eyes and contour. I'm going to use the same shade I contoured with to bronze up my forehead. Up next is blush. Going in with just a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. I'm going to fill in my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and a small brush. Up next, I'm going to take the lightest shade and put it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of a darker color and really concentrate on the crease and darkening it up. Taking the middle shade in the palette and a smaller brush, I'm going to concentrate more on the outer edge to darken it up. You're going to grab the second darkest shade in the palette and really pack it on there. Adding this darker color really makes the eye look smoky and more defined. I'm going to go back into the 4 shades we used and apply them to the lower lash line. Finishing off with some mascara, you can even add some false lashes here to make the look dramatic, use some eyeliner, and even some extra shimmer in the corner. Here is the completed look. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Valentine's Day sort of red blush makeup look. It's something that you could really wear on any basis, but because Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought it would be perfect. You can pair this look with the red lipstick as I did, or you can pair it with a neutral shade that kind of allows the eyes to be more statement. And you can also pair it with a shimmer shadow, so you can put it more or less in towards the center of your lid or inside the corners and on the brow bone. Totally up to you. You can really make it whatever you want, but I thought it was a good basis. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!